Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. A lot of you have been asking me questions by putting comments in my previous videos where I've done several reviews of Android and smart televisions, apps, settings, etc. And you've been asking me to post in the best apps that should be taking place in your smart television in 2018. So this is the beginning of 2018, and if you don't have some of these must have apps, you are definitely lacking something. I'm not gonna speak about one of the very common apps, Netflix, YouTube, etc., but I'm going to speak about the apps which you might not be aware of, or maybe they are for some reason missing out on your television and you're missing out all the fun through those apps. So if you have any questions before I begin, just post in your comments. If you need any settings, customization, how you install, download, or any issues you are encountering with any of the apps, just post in your comments, like my video and subscribe to my channel so you remain updated. Okay, so let me make a start. I would make a start with YouView. So YouView is one of the apps that will give you you have the guides for for all the channels that that you have on your television, right? So you have ITV Player, you have BBC News, etc. It would have a collection of TV series for free, and you can watch it anytime you want. So just to give you an example, I'm into YouView. I'm going to looking into the popular series, and I would be able to watch any of that anytime I want. So I just click that. It says it's free. I click that again, go into that, and now so it's going into BBC Player, and it asks me whether you should have a TV license if you're in UK. If you're not in UK, you can still play that. So I have a TV license, and I go with that, and this is how it plays. So boom, it's a HD quality. Whenever you want any episode of any series, you should be able to see that. All right. So you can forward and do anything like that, right? So I'll come out of that because this is not I'm just going to concentrate on, but I'll just show you another feature of YouView. If you go to uh, free view, I'll just play the television channel, and if you see, the description here, it all comes through YouView. And if you press the guide button of your television, or if you see, it gives you a description of all the what's going to be shown in on the TV channels at what time. So Al Jazeera, BBC News. Let's see what's going to be on channel 5 at 1:30 would be Home Away, Neighbors at 2 o'clock, things like that. So it gives you complete, and this is for last. You see, it starts from the Friday the 19th. If you see at the top, and goes until 2nd of February. So it's for 2 weeks. So this is one app that will help you to find out what's going to be shown on which channel at what time. Okay, definitely a must-have in the list of apps that you should have. That's number one on my list. Let's move on. Netflix, you all know. You need to subscribe for that. I'm not going to speak about it. It's one of the most popular apps. You need to subscribe. You need to pay, and that is for TV series and for watching latest movies as well. But you need to have subscription for that. Okay? I'm not going in detail for that. Let's move on. I'm not talking about YouTube, but to use YouTube, you should be signed in to customize your preferences and your subscribed channels. So better you subscribe. So better you sign in and watch whatever you are your liked ones. Okay. So I'm not going to YouTube, but I'll go out and talk about BBC iPlayer. So this is another one of the apps that you should have on your television. Uh, any of the BBC channels, BBC One, BBC Two, anything you have. You need, if you want, you can sign in or you can continue without signing in. So I'll continue without signing in, and here you see this is the home screen, but you can go into channels and you can watch any channel, BBC One, BBC Two. Let's see what's there on BBC Two. I can watch it from the start, any of the series or episodes. Let me go to BBC News. You go to BBC News, and it says if you want to watch it from the start, that means this one has started at 11 o'clock and goes until until 1 o'clock. So I'll say okay, I'll watch it. Whether I watch it live or whether I should watch it from 11 o'clock, I'll watch it from the start, and this is how it looks. So it's starting BBC News. Here it is. Okay. So that's I mean ITV Player app. I have done a detailed review of this app, and if you look into my channel, you should be able to find it. But the other channels are Parliament Alba, if you're for kids, CBs, and C BBC One. Right, so I'll just come out of it, but it's a very handy one. You should have it, and you should be able to see any episode. It's not just live television, but it's I mean you can go and watch any of the series that you have that you like, and you can watch at your own convenience. So if you see, there are categories here. Within categories, if you want to go into comedy, documentaries, these are the good ones. There are some really good collection of documentaries here. You can go and watch it here. Drama, entertainment, film reviews, so it's all there. So this is one app I would definitely recommend you should have on your television. I'll just come out because I need to cover a lot and don't want to waste too much of time with that. ITV Player is again similar to iPlayer, but it's specific for ITV channels. So here you see it's just loading. It takes its own time. You can sign in if you want, and it would know your customization details. So I don't want to sign up. I'll just move out. Do you want to exit? Yeah, I want to exit. Okay, so that's one of them. Then I would tell you that you should have a VLC player on it. So if you want to watch movies which are on your USB drive or on a shared drive on your laptop, on the same network your television is connected to, you can have it there and watch it on your television. So at the moment there is no I don't have my laptop open, but you should, when you connect it, when you have a shared folder on your laptop or your smart television or your desktop, you would see another an option here to look it into either internal memory or a local network. When you go to local network, there will be folders that are shared, and you would be able to play your mp4 or any I can't remember what are the file formats supported, but it's a vast uh, I mean uh, uh, a majority of the file formats would be supported here. So VLC player is definitely for watching movies or even photographs. You can put it on your USB drive and connect to your television and watch it. So VLC player, I've done a detailed review of it. I won't go into too much detail. If you want to know how to use it, settings and everything, you can go into my review video and watch it there. Next one is DisneyLife. If you have got kids, you should definitely have Disney Kids. It doesn't require a subscription, but you can log in to have your customization done. Right. So I don't want to log in. Let me log in, okay, in that case, just to show you up. But I'll do it. I need to do. Some settings. I don't want to go into that. Don't want to lose your time on this video. I just want to make it very quick. So Disney Life, definitely most of the Disney cartoons, your child would be able to see that. Now next one is the Yup TV app. So Yup TV is for watching Asian televisions. I mean, you need to have subscription for that. It gives you 7-day trial period, but then after that you have a good selection of television channels that you can go, and it's live streaming. You need to have subscription. It costs around £100 for an entire year, so it is still cheap. You can watch television channels, drama channels. Not many of the sports channels are there, but it does have two channels of its own, BBO and BBO UK, where they would show you 24 hours live, 24 hours movies. So at the moment, it's showing the movies okay. And you can see the selection of channels. I mean, it is most of the Asian channels are here. I mean, if you compare it to what's been provided through Sky or through BT or Talk or Virgin, I mean, the number of channels are really high, and it's all app based. You don't need a set-top box. You don't need a separate remote control to play those channels. And also, it does have Catch Up TV, which has all all the episodes of each of the series recorded for last 10 days. So here you see on 25th of Jan what was played on Sony television, 24th of Jan, and so like that. So the only thing is it's not HD quality, but it's close to HD quality. So I would say it's decent quality. I've been using it for last 2 years, and it has Flix as well, which has a good selection of Bollywood movies. So if you want to watch Bollywood movies, it has a good selection of that. I mean, I've selected Hindi here, language here, but they are Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam channel. Sorry, a language as I mean TV series and movies as well. Okay. Apart from that, Kodi for the, I won't go into detail, but I mean, if you want to watch sports, movies, television series for free, you should be using Kodi. I have done detailed reviews of this app, how to do the settings and everything. I won't go into detail, but this is a must-have app on your television. You should definitely have it. Look into my other videos for details, right? How to do the settings and all. So sports, you should have Zem TV, a Zem add-on, and Covenant. You should show you movies, latest movies, Bollywood and Hollywood, and TV series in here in HD quality. And Exodus is also one of them. So let me see if I want to cover anything else here, but I will do another. I have done several detailed review videos for each of these apps, but BBC News, BBC Sports, then Sky News. These are one of some of the apps you should have on your television as well. If you have subscription for Amazon Prime, you should have Amazon Video, YouTube. Yeah, that's right. And Cinetrail is one of the apps that you should have if you want to watch latest movie trailers in HD quality. So here you see. Yeah. So let's play one of them. It's a bit slow. That's the only thing I don't like in this app, but it shows HD quality trailers here. Okay, so we'll just come out. So hopefully I've covered a good selection of apps that should definitely be part of your smart television. If you have any questions, post in your comments, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and just let me know what else would you like me to cover in my next video, and I'll be happy to do that. Thanks very much. Thank you. Bye bye.